Assalamualaikum and good day to you all. In this video, we would like to discuss on how to represent A, B and C on a number line and hence determine the interval of the following questions. So let's get started. A is a number, a collection of numbers that is greater than 5, while B is a number that lies from -6 to 6, while C is a number that has more than has at most 1. Okay, so let's get started. So we have line over here, and then I might need -6 and then 1. I said 1 but I wrote 5. What's the problem? Okay, 5 here and then 6 here. Correct. Looks like it. Yes. Okay, and then maybe we can start with A lah. A, we use purple color to represent the line. So A over here, A is greater than 5. So on top of 5 is a empty circle going to the right, and then right arrow some more, just like that. Okay, then second, maybe we use red for B. Okay, B is from -6 to 6, so it's B here beneath, and then beneath it. Okay, do not put them over here. Do not put like this, otherwise it will be troublesome to find the solution. So on top of -6, then circle. Why then circle? Because we have equal sign inside the inequality. And then on top of 6 is an empty circle because no equal sign. Then we connect. Okay, next is tadi purple and red, blue lah. Okay, so we use blue for C. C put here lah. So it's a number that has less than equal 1. So it's a dense circle like this, pointing to the left. Okay, going to the left because it's a less than or equal to. So we already represent A, B and C on a number line. Okay, so maybe it's useful if I copy this first. Okay, and then we want to solve the first one. Okay, we want to solve the intersection between A and B. Okay, so let's paste what we have just now. I copied cannot paste. Easy. Okay, but C is useless, so remove. Okay, now intersect means the common element in A and B. So from -6 until 5, there's no common element because these are the only value in B. A don't have, so we cannot take. So they share the same element from 5 to 6. Okay, from 5 to 6. So the solution is from 5 to 6. Now we are going to decide whether it's an empty circle or a dense circle. You see over here, in B, the 5 is a dense circle. Okay, dense circle. So B has 5, but in A is an empty circle, means A does not have 5. Okay, so the intersect is don't have lah. We cannot take lah 5 because A does not have. Same goes to 6. Okay, it's open. It's an open circle because A has 6, but B does not have. So we cannot take dense circle. So this is the answer. So it's 5 until 6, and then open bracket. So this is the answer for the first question. So let's proceed to the second one. Union. It's B union C. Okay, now we going to paste what I've just copied. So we want B and C, we padam A down here, up there. Okay, now union means, unlike intersection we find the common element in each interval, but for union, as long as the element is there, we take and consider it as a solution. So from left we have the arrow, the infinity, and then go straight until 6. Okay, so our answer is, we take the arrow here, right, and then until 6, open, empty, circle. Okay, so the answer is this one. The arrow pointing to the left is a minus infinity, and then 6 here is just 6. Put comma, don't forget, and then open bracket. So that's the answer for B. Okay, now let's continue with C. A union B, A union B intersect C. Okay, now in this example, we cannot do it right away, because unlike example A and B, there's only something with one operator and then another. In this case, we have another, and then we have 3 stuff that we have to deal at one time. Cannot, it's very difficult. It's quite difficult and troublesome for us to do in one go. So maybe we can do A union B first, okay, and then we take the intersection with C. So we are doing this one first. Okay, I circle this one, we do first. Okay, so wait, we have intersection up there, right? Oh no, it's intersection, so we have to do it one more time. Okay, so I copy paste that back. Okay, from here, A union B is the collection of everything lah. Okay, just take, as long as the element is there, we consider as the answer. Okay, so it's from minus 6 going to infinity. So A union B is minus 6 positive infinity. Okay, square bracket, and then we take this solution. We take this solution. Okay, minus 6 infinity, we continue intersecting it with C. Okay, so I copy paste what I had before over here, but since we only need C, this red and green I padam, so maybe you can represent this as a red line. Okay, so it's from minus 6 until there. Okay, so this is minus 6 infinity. So we are going to find the intersection. Intersection, remember, is the common element from that both interval have. Okay, so they share the same thing from minus 6 up until 1. Over here they don't share because only the red one has. This one also they don't share because only C has it, so cannot. So the answer is from minus 6. Okay, then circle. Why then circle? Over here, because this is dense. In this line also dense. It means that C has it, and the red line also has it. While at 1, this one also dense circle. Inside the line also it's a dense circle. So that's the answer. It's minus 6 to 1 with a square bracket. So the answer for A union B intersect C is from 6 to 1 inclusive. Okay, now let's proceed to the third one. I'm so sorry. Where does it move? Okay, sorry. So intersect A, B and C. So the fourth one is D. A intersect B intersect C. Okay, now okay, that's right. Okay, now I copy paste. Okay, just now I said if there's three things or two operator like this, it's quite difficult for us to do in one go. It is we have exception. We can do it in one go if only the operator are the same. In this case, it's intersection with intersection. Okay, in the previous example, however, we have union and intersection, so that's different operator. That's why we have to do it like this. We have to do one by one, but in this case we can do it in one go. Okay, how to do that? Easy. First, we represent every line involved in one number line, just what I paste over here, and then it's the intersection between A, B and C. If intersection between A and B means the common element that shared with A and B, but in C, if we have additional C, it means that the common element that shared between these three interval. Okay, now we start from the left. From the left, so means three things must exist at the same time. Okay, so over here from the left, you see minus infinity, the blue element only, the only element occurred is only C. C only has the value, B don't have, A don't have, so cannot take. So over here cannot take. Okay, cannot take. Okay, until here, this one looks promising because B also has, C also has. Okay, but the problem, A does not have. Okay, as I said, it's an intersection between A, B and C. Three parties, three things, three interval. So three must have the same element. So this one only two element exist, so cannot take also. This one also cannot take, the same thing. This one also cannot take because over here only B exists. This one also only B and A exist. Over here only A exists. So as we can see over here, there's no interval where the three lines exist at the same time. Therefore, the answer for this one is 0, no element. Okay, A intersect B intersect C is no element exists. Like this, you may write it like this, or you may write the bracket without putting anything. And also for this one, I would like to attract your attention not to write like this. This one, it means that the element is 0 because 0 is a number as well, not empty set. Empty set is the one that I highlight in yellow. Okay, so I padam that. So this is the answer for the last one. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.